I would just like to ask you to conclude, Pascal. If we're looking at this desire for certainty and the human need sometimes of a system to define the way we work, should we be saying let's wipe the slate clean and design a totally new way of allocating assets and build it off plan, or can we renovate the old attractive house and keep some of the finer original features of the old theories?
There is a clear need today to understand the world as it is, to invest in understanding. And one of the risks I'm seeing is that because established truths and beliefs have been challenged by the crisis, but not only by the crisis, there is the risk of what I would call obscurantism. People giving up on the need to understand, to stand up for investment beliefs. The fact that many aspects of the theoretical background has proved flawed or irrelevant doesn't mean that we've got to give up. On the contrary, there is a clear need to get a better understanding of the way financial markets and the investment space work. There is a need to rechannel investment management for the good, and we need more science, not less. And there are many areas to work on. I've mentioned critical topics like the safe asset, diversification, allocation, concentration, risk, the long-term benchmarks, and so on. I could also mention the fact that we need a realistic approach of time and the way people form expectations in the financial markets and in the portfolio, actually. We've been relying on a so-called rational subject, forming rationally expectations, but this is to an extent irrelevant. Time in the financial markets, in the portfolio space, is not linear. It's a psychological time. There are dilations and contractions, non-linearities. And the way we build our value indicators is to a large extent irrelevant, because we don't take into account the powerful forces of memory and forgetfulness, for example, at work in the financial market. And this is why efforts coming from the behavioral theory, the neuroeconomics inputs are important moving forward.
Well, Pascal, you talked about giving up. I'm sure you're not going to be giving up, and we're certainly not going to be giving up in explaining these topics to our viewers. I hope we can have many further such conversations. Pascal Blanqué from Amundi, thank you very much.
Thank you.